Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a wonderful tech-based launcher look like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So you just need to download the cutting edge launcher high tech from the Play Store. Totally green themed launcher, so you can just change the color in the future. So you can just swipe on the side to get the weather condition and also the application drawer. So here you can just change the application view, and also here you have the dial pad. It just look like techie and Iron Man themed. So to change the color, click on the setting option, just go to the theme color. I just going to choose it a purple color, which actually look great. So the wallpaper will be automatically changed to the same color. If you just need to change the wallpaper, click on the setting option, go to the wallpaper section. So here you can find different wallpaper. Go to the first wallpaper just talking about. So you have the discharge battery option and also this beautiful folder here. So just you can just have more widgets like weather widgets, which actually look great. If you like a new tech different launcher, just need to try a new launcher, unique launcher, just try this launcher on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.